It is the first piece of legislation enacted into law by the 19th Congress. One that will provide security and protection to tens of millions of mobile phone users from unwarranted text messages to include identity theft. And the President hailed its significance in signing the act into law in front of his Vice President, leaders of both houses of Congress, as we hear more from PTV senior correspondent Alan Francisco.
I am pleased to join you here as we sign into law the SIM Card Registration Act.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. signed today the SIM Card Registration Act in a ceremonial signing in Malacanang. According to President Marcos Jr., this will help to regulate the issuance of SIM cards and curb the spread of spam text messages and scams.
We will soon be able to provide law enforcement agencies the tools needed to resolve crimes perpetrated with the use of these SIM cards, as well as providing a strong deterrence against the commission of wrongdoing.
Under the SIM Card Registration Act, public telecommunication entities or direct sellers will require SIM card end users to show their valid identification documents before any purchase is consummated or completed. PTEs are also obliged to keep the personal information of registered SIM card subscribers strictly confidential pursuant to the law. They are also authorized to submit the verified list of authorized dealers and agents throughout the country to the National Telecommunications Commission and update it every year. PTEs are also required to ensure the registration of existing prepaid SIM card phone subscribers.
Failure to comply results to the grant of authority for telecommunications entities to automatically deactivate services to the specific SIM card subscriber under the force of law.
People who register using false information or fraudulently will be punished. As for subscribers' data privacy and confidentiality, there is a provision in the law that ensures this. PTEs are required to disclose this after issuing a subpoena or court order. President Marcos commended the legislators who crafted this law.
So I commend the legislators from the House and from the Senate for coming up with this timely and necessary law. It is the first legislative measure that successfully passed the approval of the bicameral panel of both houses in the 19th Congress.
The authors of the SIM Card Registration Act attended the ceremonial signing, including Congressman Sandro Marcos.
It will be a welcome addition to the security of our kababayan's personal information, which hopefully, with the passage of this law, will be better protected.
In a statement, Senator Grace Poe commends the signing of the SIM Card Registration Act. According to Senator Poe, they drafted the law to ensure no one will be defrauded using SIM cards. The senator also ensured that subscribers' private information is safe. Cell phone users like Eduardo are happy with this development. He has been receiving spam messages for a long time, saying that it feels like he has won a game.
Para iwas na rin sa mga scam. Mas safe yung mga account natin.
Vice President Sara Duterte, Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri, House Speaker Martin Romualdez, Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, cabinet members and other government officials were also at the event. Meanwhile, Globe and Smart Telcos welcomed the SIM Card Registration Act. Globe Telecom is confident the national ID system will help to properly implement the said law. Smart and Globe Telecommunications are also coordinating in developing the implementing rules and regulations of the SIM Card Registration Act. Alan Francisco for The Nation.